Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Dcent Wallet account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Dcent account, firstly open up your Dcent application. The official page of Dcent Wallet application will appear on the screen. Swipe the screen to the left side or else tap on skip. Agree to the terms and conditions of Dcent Wallet by tapping on circles and click on continue. Choose the options of if you have used the wallet before or not. Tap on yes, I am a returning user if you have used Dcent Wallet before, or else tap on next option, that is no, I am a new user. Choose a Dcent Wallet type and tap on it. Select a password for user authentication to application. Confirm the password by re-entering it. On the next page, if you would like to use the biometric authentication, tap on enable or else tap on skip. This is how you can sign up for your Dcent Wallet account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.